Hey team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. This is my sweet chili sauce recipe. Let's get you started.
Yo man, fuck man, welcome to the jungle.
To start, mix together half a cup of rice wine vinegar, 3/4 of a cup of water, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of chili flakes, 6 cloves of garlic.
If you're like me and you're always after a little bit more spice,
Piss off.
add in half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper.
Pop your pan on the heat, give it a good stir, bring to the boil, and allow it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes until all the sugar is dissolved. In the meantime, mix together 2 teaspoons of corn flour and 4 teaspoons of water. Add this to the mix to thicken it up. Add this to any stir fry or use as a perfect dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching guys, like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye, have a beautiful time.